Snail mucin, the sticky secretion produced by snails, has taken the skincare world by storm. Once an unusual ingredient, it's now a staple in many beauty products, from serums to creams. This fascinating substance is packed with nutrients that offer a plethora of benefits for the skin. Its popularity stems from its ability to address various skin concerns, making it a versatile addition to any skincare routine. Discover the magic of snail mucin and unlock the secret to radiant, healthy skin. Numerous studies and anecdotal evidence support the claims of its remarkable benefits. From reducing the appearance of wrinkles to soothing irritated skin, snail mucin offers a natural solution for a variety of skin issues. It's no wonder this unique ingredient has garnered so much attention in recent years. Snail mucin contains a complex mixture of hyaluronic acid, glycolic acid, peptides, and antioxidants. This unique combination works synergistically to promote skin regeneration, improve elasticity, and protect against environmental damage. As we delve deeper into the world of snail mucin, we'll explore its origins, composition, and the numerous ways it can benefit your skin. Get ready to embrace the magic of snail mucin and transform your skincare routine. The snail mucin used in skincare products is ethically harvested from specific snail species, typically the Cornu aspersum or Cryptomphalus aspersa. These snails are raised on specialized farms where their well-being is prioritized. The extraction process is humane and does not harm the snails. They are often stimulated with purified water or gentle vibrations to encourage mucin production. This method ensures a sustainable and cruelty-free source of this valuable ingredient. Snail farms maintain strict hygiene standards to ensure the quality and purity of the mucin. The snails are fed a nutritious diet, typically consisting of fruits, vegetables, and grains. This controlled environment promotes healthy snail growth and optimal mucin production. The collected mucin is then carefully processed and purified to remove impurities and ensure its safety for cosmetic use. This process involves multiple filtration steps and sterilization techniques. By prioritizing ethical harvesting practices, snail farms ensure a sustainable and responsible source of this remarkable ingredient. The future of snail mucin skincare relies on these sustainable practices. Snail mucin is a rich cocktail of beneficial components, each contributing to its impressive skincare properties. Hyaluronic acid, a potent humectant, draws moisture into the skin, keeping it plump and hydrated. Glycolic acid, a natural exfoliant, gently removes dead skin cells, revealing a brighter, smoother complexion. This combination of hydration and exfoliation sets the stage for healthy, radiant skin. Peptides, the building blocks of proteins, play a crucial role in skin repair and regeneration. They stimulate collagen production, improving skin elasticity and reducing the appearance of wrinkles. Antioxidants, such as vitamins A, C, and E, protect the skin from free radical damage, preventing premature aging and maintaining a youthful glow. Copper peptides, another key ingredient in snail mucin, contribute to wound healing and tissue repair. They promote cell regeneration and reduce inflammation, making snail mucin an effective treatment for acne scars and other skin blemishes. Allantoin, a soothing and anti-irritant compound, calms irritated skin and reduces redness. The diverse range of benefits makes snail mucin a true skincare powerhouse. Snail mucin offers a wide array of benefits for the skin, addressing various concerns from dryness to aging. Its hydrating properties make it an excellent moisturizer, replenishing moisture and improving skin elasticity. This deep hydration helps to plump the skin and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The result is a smoother, more youthful complexion. The exfoliating action of glycolic acid in snailmucin helps to remove dead skin cells, revealing brighter, more radiant skin. This gentle exfoliation also helps to unclog pores, preventing breakouts and reducing the appearance of acne scars. Snailmucin's antioxidant properties protect the skin from environmental damage, preventing premature aging and maintaining a youthful glow. These antioxidants neutralize free radicals, which can damage skin cells and contribute to wrinkles and age spots. The regenerative properties of snailmucin promote cell turnover, aiding in the repair of damaged skin tissue. This can be particularly beneficial for those with acne scars, sun damage, or other skin blemishes. Snailmucin's ability to stimulate collagen production further enhances skin repair and improves overall skin texture. The result is smoother, healthier, and more resilient skin. Mucin for all. Suitability for various skin types. One of the most remarkable qualities of snailmucin is its suitability for a wide range of skin types. Whether you have dry, oily, sensitive, or mature skin, snailmucin can offer significant benefits. Its gentle yet effective nature makes it a versatile ingredient that can be incorporated into various skincare routines. For those with dry skin, snailmucin provides intense hydration, replenishing moisture, and restoring a healthy glow. Its humectant properties draw moisture into the skin, keeping it plump and hydrated throughout the day. Individuals with oily or acne-prone skin can also benefit from snailmucin's gentle exfoliating and pore-clearing properties. Glycolic acid helps to remove dead skin cells and unclog pores, preventing breakouts and reducing the appearance of acne scars. Sensitive skin types can often find solace in snailmucin's soothing and anti-irritant properties. Allantoin, a key ingredient in snailmucin, calms irritated skin and reduces redness. This gentle formula can help to alleviate sensitivity and restore a healthy skin barrier. The adaptability of snailmucin makes it a valuable addition to any skincare arsenal. Hydration Hero. Snailmucin for dry skin. Dry skin often feels tight, flaky, and uncomfortable. Snailmucin, with its exceptional hydrating properties, transforms dry skin into a supple, radiant canvas. The hyaluronic acid in snailmucin acts as a humectant, locking moisture into the skin. This intense hydration helps to alleviate dryness and restore a healthy glow. The humectant properties create a barrier, preventing moisture loss and maintaining hydration. Snailmucin also improves skin elasticity, reducing fine lines and wrinkles. Incorporating snailmucin into a daily routine can provide long-lasting relief and improve skin health. Soothing solution, snailmucin for sensitive skin. Sensitive skin can be easily irritated by various factors, from harsh skincare products to environmental aggressors. Snailmucin offers a calming solution for sensitive skin types. Allantoin in snailmucin helps reduce redness and irritation. This gentle formula restores balance and comfort to sensitive skin. Snailmucin creates a protective barrier, shielding skin from irritants. This barrier helps prevent further irritation and allows healing. Snailmucin promotes cell regeneration, soothing sensitive skin. It accelerates healing, repairing damaged skin cells. Incorporating snailmucin provides significant relief and improves skin tolerance. Its gentle formula makes it a safe and effective option for calming irritated skin. The calming power of snailmucin is valuable for sensitive skin. Acne Alley, snailmucin for blemish-prone skin. Acne-prone skin often suffers from excess oil production, clogged pores, and inflammation. Snailmucin, with its unique combination of ingredients, can be a valuable ally in the fight against blemishes. Glycolic acid, a natural exfoliant found in snailmucin, helps to gently remove dead skin cells and unclog pores, preventing breakouts and reducing the appearance of acne scars. This gentle exfoliation can help to clarify the complexion and improve overall skin texture. The antimicrobial properties of snailmucin can help to inhibit the growth of acne-causing bacteria, further reducing the likelihood of breakouts. By combating bacterial growth, snailmucin helps to maintain a clear and healthy complexion. Snailmucin's anti-inflammatory properties help to reduce redness and swelling associated with acne. This calming effect can help to soothe irritated skin and minimize the appearance of blemishes. The regenerative properties of snailmucin can also help to fade acne scars and improve skin texture. By promoting cell turnover and collagen production, snailmucin helps to repair damaged skin and reduce the appearance of imperfections. The result is smoother, clearer, and more resilient skin. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Skincare Now for more skincare knowledge and tips.